Coze versus Salesforce, Best Customer Agent Tool 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Coze and Salesforce to help you decide which is the best customer agent tool for 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is when to use Coze. Over here, Coze is a next generation AI application and chatbot development platform. After that, it provides a no code development approach, allowing users to build sophisticated chatbots without any coding knowledge. Then, it also supports multi platform deployment, meaning chatbots can be integrated across various channels for seamless customer interactions. After that, Coze uses AI powered conversations to create natural and intuitive interactions with users. Then, it also offers integration capabilities, allowing businesses to connect multiple applications with automated bots. Now, let's talk about Salesforce Service Cloud. Over here, Salesforce Service Cloud is a comprehensive customer service platform designed to enhance customer support operations. After that, it features omni-channel routing, which automatically directs cases to the most appropriate agent based on skill set and availability. Then, it includes a knowledge base, providing agents and customers with quick access to articles and resources for issue resolution. After that, Salesforce Service Cloud also offers Service Cloud Voice, which integrates telephony systems to allow agents to handle calls directly within the Service Console. Then, it includes AI integration, automating routine tasks and predicting customer needs to improve service efficiency. Now, let's look at recent developments. Over here, Salesforce has introduced Agentforce, an AI driven platform designed to handle routine sales and service interactions. After that, as of December 2024, Salesforce has secured over 1,000 paid deals for Agentforce, showing a major shift towards AI driven customer service. Then, how do you choose between Coze and Salesforce Service Cloud? Over here, Coze is ideal if you need a simple, no code solution for implementing AI chatbots quickly. After that, it's great for small to medium sized businesses looking to enhance customer engagement without a technical team. Then, Salesforce Service Cloud is the better option for organizations needing a comprehensive customer service platform. Over here, it's perfect for larger enterprises that require omni channel support, AI integration, and advanced customization for complex service operations. So that's how you can decide between Coze and Salesforce for the best customer agent tool in 2025. That's all for this video.